Can I vacuum my air vents? Yes, you can vacuum your air vents, and it is a good way to remove loose dust and crumbs from the vent covers and the opening you can reach. Vacuuming your air vents can help keep dust from blowing back into your rooms every time the system turns on. Start by turning off your heating or cooling system so the air is not moving while you clean. Use a brush attachment or a crevice tool on your vacuum to gently clean the vent cover, then wipe the cover with a damp cloth if it is dirty. If the cover can be removed safely, take it off and vacuum both sides, but only if you can put it back the same way. You should also clean the area around the vent because dust often gathers on the floor and gets pulled right back in. One thing many people do not know is that a vacuum can only clean the part you can reach, so it does not replace a full duct cleaning when the inside of the ducts is dusty or blocked. If you smell mold, see water damage, or notice weak airflow, that can point to a bigger problem that needs more than a quick vacuum. The best habit is to vacuum vents during regular cleaning so the dust never gets too heavy. A common mistake is using a strong brush or metal tool that bends the vent slats, so use gentle pressure and a soft attachment instead. Another mistake is forgetting to turn off the system first, which can blow dust around the room, so switch it off before you start. People also think vacuuming fixes every air problem, but if the air still smells bad or the room stays dusty, the filter, ducts, or fan may need attention too, so check those next. Another thing to watch for is loose screws or sharp edges on older vent covers, so move slowly and wear gloves if needed. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.